I love these washing machine cleaning tablets. So I've already used 2 of them, and it has a little chart here to have you do 2 tablets a month for the best results. And we had kind of like a funky, just recurring smell happening just because we never used these prior to getting these. We always just ran our self-clean cycle that the machine does. It just runs like hot water in here. And so once we started using these, we have not had any odors or anything with our washing machine, and it just smells really nice and clean. So I love these things. They work super great. You just take one of the tabs and you throw it directly into your basin, and then you run your self-cleaning cycle. And you can see, I mean, I haven't run a tab in quite a few days, and our machine is really clean and lovely. And this used to be a rental house as well. So these things are doing a great job keeping this thing in tip-top shape. So I highly recommend them.